baby boy. We're going on a boat tour. I'm going to the docks and I'm gonna take a boat tour. The Navajo boat tour. This is exciting. Look at this. Kind of cool. So I did both tours, the Navajo boat tour and the Antelope. The difference between them is that the Navajo channel is wider. The Antelope one is like slimmer. If I were to pick one, I would pick the Navajo because it lasts longer. It's a 2-hour boat trip. Mergem și noi aici în spatele bărcii. Man, look at this, man. We're in the middle of the desert. Now I gotta do something else.